Umintri katanat puli puthi kajala rakam sangma next ni balang ula play ka conference ka bakhandai jang ka Oral History Association of India ne OHAI ka balapin long halor ka phang mountain history at the intersection of memory, politics and identity. Yagani ka conference lapin long ha auditorium jang ukyang nang ba guest house barim ka Northeastern Hill University Shillong. Yagani ka conference lapin long haringkat ka jinatrelang but ka Department of Journalism and Mass Communication Northeastern Hill University Shillong but ka Northeast India AV Archive St. Anthony's College Shillong but Krisha naga Sasakawa Peace Foundation Japan.
But this is something that will really inspire me, that has really touched my heart, and which is really connected to my heart. I'm also for this. This is something very unique in nature. That is my first time in my life that I have an opportunity to attend such a wonderful, such a meaningful, such a wonderful initiative programs. I would like to congratulate the founding leaders of this oral history of India and all the distinguished leaders and those individuals whose hands had made these things possible. So therefore, at the very outset, let's not make history. Let's make our story. That's very important. We still remember the discovery, the invention of many great scientists of the past. Peter Newton, Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Darwin, all things that men still inspire each one of us. But today it's something which I really feel is a very, very unique and very important. But I'm just saying, I'm just discussing this discussion today is just not that. This oral history is something I personally feel that we're going beyond the boundary of the technology.
This department is bring a laurels to the university, both Tora and Shillong.